Hey, if you are experiencing none or way too less intimacy between you and your partner, then this is for you. We understand the challenges that couples face when it comes to maintaining a deep and intimate connection. Niels and I, we had the same struggles in the beginning of our relationship. There was basically non-existing sex life, and I just did it for him to please him. So there was no satisfaction for me, since I was always tired. I basically didn't have any energy, and the need for intimacy wasn't there at all. And this led to losing the connection to each other. And because of this, I started to doubt myself if this relationship is ever going to work. I really struggled expressing myself and my emotions to Niels and talk about my feelings. Talk about what's been bothering me, why I wasn't opening up. And I never really got an answer to this. And this really challenged our relationship, and especially me, because I was always trying to find the problem in myself. But you know what? In every relationship, there are two people involved, right? You can still work on it by yourself, because you can be the best spouse, the best listener, the best friend to your partner. Well, later on, I figured that my birth control was one of the factors that led to not having the desire to get intimate with Niels. But this, of course, doesn't have to be your hormonal issue as well. This was just mine. You know, and it's all too easy for the spark to fade. It's leaving partners feeling disconnected and unfulfilled. I know how that feels. So let's identify the roots of intimacy challenges. So here are the most common factors that can contribute to a lack of intimacy. It could be that you're having busy schedules and lack of quality time together. Unresolved conflicts can be an issue as well. Changing priorities and shifting life stages. And of course, a lack of effective communication and being emotional vulnerable. So how can you get to emotional intimacy? Here are some practical strategies for you. Improve your abilities to express your feelings and understand each other's emotional needs. Everyone has different ones, and that's okay. Foster a safe and supportive environment, especially for an open and honest conversation. Develop empathy, compassion, and a deeper sense of connection to your partner. Schedule regular date nights and quality time together. Practice gratitude, appreciation, and positive affirmations. Learn, grow, and explore new aspects of each other. This is a very good one as well. What's also beneficial for you to know is that addressing any underlying issues or barriers that could lead to lack of physical intimacy. Welcome playfulness, creativity, and experimentation into the bedroom. Prioritize self-care and maintain a healthy lifestyle. When you are building a deep connection to your partner, this will increase trust, safety, and vulnerability. So what do you need for getting there? You need an open and honest communication and conflict resolution skills. Everyone has conflicts, that's normal. As well as an improved emotional regulation and stress management. So if you feel that you want to learn how to build a strong emotional connection, build new trust, and therefore have a fulfilling sex life, book a call with us now, and we will let you know how you can do that. The link for our calendar is right below. You can just click it and find a time that suits you. And we are really looking forward speaking to you and hear your story.